Zara came correct, and in my opinion they even did a better job. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Budapest. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, all of that good stuff. Let's grow this community together. So in this video we're going to be talking about some Zara perfume dupes. Now if you know me, you know I'm not a perfume addict, but I'm an advocate for smelling nicely. I'm always trying to figure out what scent someone is wearing and stuff like that. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 Zara perfumes that are dupes for some designer scents. So these perfumes were made by Zara, the clothing brand, and they smell very similar to some, designer perfumes, popular designer perfumes. So if you're interested in seeing some perfumes that you can get, if you always wanted another designer perfume but then don't have it or can't find it, then you can get these Zara ones. So the first Zara perfume I'm going to be sharing with you guys is Zara Gardenia. Now this perfume is a dupe for the famous YSL Black Opium. If you know this perfume, you know that it's a very floral, fruity, warm fragrance for women. The top notes are pear, pink pepper and orange blossom, and this Zara perfume comes really close to it. Of course, when it comes to longevity, you cannot compare both of them, but this really does a very good job as regards how it smells. So the 100 ml of this perfume retails for a little bit above $100, but then this goes for, I think, well under 20. It's a very far price point and the scents come really close to each other. If you're looking for a really good dupe, this one is really good dupe for this one. So the next Zara fragrance that I want to share with you guys, Deep Garden. Now Deep Garden is a dupe for the very popular and famous Carolina Herrera Good Girl. When it comes to scents, this you don't get CH from this immediately you spray it. However, after a little while, when it dries down, you start to feel like you're actually wearing CH Good Girl. Of course, it's not as pungent as CH Good Girl, but when it comes to scent, it comes really close. And it's an amber floral fragrance for women. It was launched in 2016 or thereabout. Ever since then, they've released like 1 million flankers of this perfume. I guess because people really love it a lot. But my favorite thing about this perfume is actually the bottle. Guys, this is one of the prettiest perfume bottles out there and I really love this. So the top notes are sambac, jasmine and tuberose crystal. The base notes are tonka bean, cocoa and coffee bean. So if you're looking for something that smells like Carolina Herrera Good Girl, I would say you can get Deep Garden for a very, very low price point. So the next perfume I want to talk about is Golden Decade by Zara. This perfume is a really, really good dupe for YSL Libre. Since last year, or I don't know, something like that, this perfume has been one of my favorites. I love it so much. Absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, I don't have a Golden Decade because that perfume is so hard to find. Guys, you literally have to chase this perfume down and I've been so unlucky. I've not been able to get it. So reading from my phone, it says the notes on this perfume are lavender, mandarin orange, blackcurrant and petitgrain. So if you're looking for a really good dupe for YSL Libre, I would say you should get Zara Golden Decade. And when it comes to longevity, Decade does an actually good job. It doesn't wear off as fast as the other Zara perfumes. It's a really good dupe for YSL Libre if you're looking for something around that. So the next Zara dupe perfume in this video would be Red Temptation. I only have the roller ball of this one and this is a very good dupe for the very famous, annoyingly famous MFK Baccarat Rouge 540. I've never really been a fan of MFK Baccarat Rouge, and this is not in a gatekeeping way because it's a very popular scent and I'm not one to like gatekeep things or say, oh, too many people are using something so it's not nice anymore. But then if you're into those kind of scents or if you like that perfume, Zara Red Temptation is a very, very good dupe. Now, I stand to be corrected, but in my opinion, this is the closest dupe Zara has made to a designer perfume. Immediately you smell it, yeah, you know. With some others, it might take you a little bit of a while to be like, oh, this smells like this, yada yada yada, and some of the notes may have been missed. But with Red Temptation, Zara came correct, and in my opinion, they even did a better job. Like, this to me is way better than Baccarat Rouge, because I don't know, it's just better to me. With Baccarat Rouge, yeah, I just don't get what I'm looking for. But then this one is Zara. I just carry this in my bag. Sometimes when I just feel a bit musky, I just, you know, quickly roll it over my neck, and then I just feel fresher again. So the top notes in Zara Red Temptation are saffron, bitter orange, coriander. The middle notes are praline and jasmine, and the base notes are moss, amber, and musk. So if you're looking for what smells like Baccarat Rouge 540, then Zara Red Temptation is what you're looking for. So the fifth Zara perfume I want to show you in this video that is a dupe for another designer perfume is Perpetual Oud. Now this is a dupe for the famous Oud Satin Mood by MFK. Now this is a very strong, potent oud perfume. I'm not the biggest fan of oud, to be honest, and I think of all my perfumes, this is the only one that is like proper oud. Well, it's really strong, I would say. As for longevity, of course, it comes nothing close to the Oud Satin Mood by MFK. The projection is also not as strong, but then if you're looking for something that smells similar to that, this is a very good recommendation for you. Also under $30 as compared to the Oud Satin Mood, which is well over $200. So if you're looking for something that is a quick fix for that, then this. So that's it from me for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and also follow me on my other social media, which are linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.